And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So if you're ever actually wondering how loud I'm speaking, I can tell you right now I am whispering. My sound, my microphone volume is at the max, to be honest. So I mostly actually just whisper, if you ever wondered. But anyways, I was going to do this challenge on my own. I wasn't going to film it or anything, but I found it extremely hard to understand. And by my nature, I like to teach. So I am going to teach you all how to do this, not that I have done it myself yet. But, what's base pairs? But anyways, so basically they give us a string. And we have to basically, if it's A or T, it returns T or A. So if it's A, it returns T. If it's T, it returns A. If it's C, it returns G. If it's G, it returns C. Like here, G, C, G. It's G, so it returns C. It's C, so it returns G. It's G, so it returns C. And here it is A, so it returns T. It is T, so it returns A. It is, and so on and so forth. And yeah, here's base pairs if you want to know more about it. I preferably do not. So I'm going to do it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it while I learn myself how to do it. So let's get started. The first thing we most likely want to do is we want to turn this into an array. So we can go and go let r equals an empty array, or not an empty array, we can str, and we can console.log str, and right down here we can also add a console.log, and we can save that. We can say open containing folder, click our special button, close the folder, say node, and let's run it. Okay, it didn't turn it into an array. Wait, that's what I meant to say. That's why I didn't turn it into an array. Okay, so now we have an array, and now we can loop through the array and return what we must. So we can go for, I hate it when I do that, let I equal 0 while I is less than r.length I plus plus. And then we can go if, or actually let's do something new. Let's go switch. So I don't really know how to do that. Okay, I hate switches, to be honest. So if, and then we can go r at index I is equal to, let's say, G, then, and then we can just go console.log just to see if we get it. Got it. And now we can go like that. Okay, it got both of them. Okay, that's very nice. Then we're going to create a new array. Let, and then we can call this result. And result is going to be equal to an empty array. So if it at I is equal to G, then result dot push, whoopsie daisy, result dot push, and we can push not only G, but we can also push what goes with G, C, right? Yeah, C and G, C. Else if r at index I is equal to C, then we can just copy this line of code and we can paste it here. We just maybe cut this, Control X, and comma paste. Then we can go one more else if v, and then we can go else. And if this one is A, then this would return A and T. Else result.push, and we can go T and A. Okay, of course a better practice would be to actually put R at index I here, but we are not going to do that. So let's go back here and see if we get what we should. We should maybe return, because we should return an array. So return result, and I didn't think I did it right because we need a 2D array. Yeah, okay. The result of push. I don't know how to do push with a 2D array. What if I did this? Would this return a 2D array or give an error? And it returns a 2D array. Okay, we fixed it. Because we are so smart. One thing I learned with programming is just take the easy way out. If you know an easy way and you are comfortable with that way, just take it. It's so much faster. Okay, so now it returns a 2D array and it returns whatever it should return. So let's copy this and paste it here, and I'm pretty sure it should return completed. Yes, so let me explain. But if you don't understand it, basically if R at index I is G, it should return GC in an array. Basically this, its own little array inside of an array, 2D array. If it's C, it does the same thing, but G this time as its partner. If it's A, it's AT. If it's T, it's TA. We say else because we don't need that. We don't need to say else if T, because they're not going to ask us any extra. So thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this and now also hopefully understand how to do this. And see you all in the next video.